Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Delima Najmanur Istiqlal. So this video is for teaching biology in English assignment that I have to be retelling the video from YouTube. Uh, so First, I want to tell you the lesson I have got from the video. Like the first is I want to analyze the pedagogical and biological terms in English. So I want to tell you uh, some terms that I have found. Then I will tell you that meanings. So we will move in pedagogical terms like what's the pedagogy? Like the pedagogy is the method, practice, and study of effective teaching. Then what's the pedagogical terms? Like what the pedagogical terms is the word that common use in educational situation like teaching and learning process. So I have some pedagogical terms from the video. Like the first is uh, wait, first face-to-face teaching, like on-site teaching, that the teaching and learning process is developed in context where students and teacher are in direct contact, being physically in the same place. So, from the video, I I have watched that the students and the teacher are in the same place, and the teacher do the direct instruction, direct teaching to the students. So the second one is appreciation. So from the video, we can see that the teacher is regularly give the appreciation to the students, like good job, give him a round of applause. So appreciation is like a feeling or expression of admiration, approval, and gratitude. So then the third is active learning. Like in the class, I watch that the class is so active, like teaching and learning approach that engage students in the process of learning through activities and discussion in class. So there's a discussion, and then there's interactive between the students and the teacher in that video. Then there is a scaffolding. Like scaffolding is the process by which instruction built on a student previous experience or knowledge by adding in specific timely support structure in the form of activities or assignment for students. Like the terms that I have found, like not the example from the scaffolding is when the teacher said, "What did I teach you? Remember to remember Nidarians." Or then the teacher when said, "Raise your hand if you've ever seen words after the rain." So this is the teacher guides the student, but don't give the student to the main answer. So like the teacher is guiding the students to the answer and give a question like that. Then there is student engagement that describes the ways in which students take a part in the learning process and development of their own knowledge. From the video, the example is the students take a part in the class, the teaching process. So the game make a play-doh to visualize the three layers of words. Then the last one is joyful learning. I have found that joyful learning itself is defined as learning that makes students feel comfortable and enjoy the learning process. From the video, I have watched that the video is very that show us that the learning process, the teaching process is very enjoyable for the students because they do something like a hands instruction, like making a hands to describe polyps, tentacles, like that. So that's for pedagogical terms, and now we will move to biological terms. I have found some biological terms. I think I write down 12 terms. So what's biological terms is are the specialized vocabulary used to describe concepts, process, and structure related to the science of biology. Then the terms that I have found is planarian, any various of dark color freshwater, three-celled flatworms, then islamids. Islamids is an invertebrate lacking a xylem especially. Then there's a nidarian, like nidarian is uh, radially symmetrical aquatic invertebrate animal. Then like yes, then there is parasitic, like living on another organism in parasitism, that the meaning of parasitic. Then there is tentacle. Tentacle is any of various elongate flexible usually tactile or prehensile process borne by invertebrate animals. Then there is platyhelminths, that means a flatworms or triploblastic animal. Then there's endoderm. Endoderm is the inner layer of cells of a triploblastic animal. Then there's mesoderm, the middle layer of the cells of a triploblastic animal, and ectoderm, the outer layer of cells of triploblastic animal. Then there is triploblastic, like the meaning is having three primary germ layers. Then digestive tract, that the meaning a tubular passage typically extending from the mouth to the anus or cloaca that function in digestion and absorption. Then phylum, that a primary category in a biological taxonomy, especially of animals that ranks above the class and below to the kingdom. That's the terms that I found from the video. So we will move to the next. I want to tell you that the lesson learned I got, like I have learned so much from the video that make me can be a professional teacher maybe in the future. So I've learned like I have to be making a class active and live, so I can make an engage to the students and make the class is like joyful, meaningful, like this. Then I think many students like thinking that biology is very boring, but from the video I learned that I have to be make a biology class like very joyful, enjoyable, so student not be boring and very active and excited to study biology. So that's all from my video. I'm sorry if I apologize that maybe I make a mistake. I think many mistakes. So thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.